Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Car Stereo Dash Kit lets you install a new aftermarket stereo right in your factory location, delivering a seamless, professional look. Its precision design ensures a gapless fit between your dash and the kit, so nothing looks out of place or forced. What sets this kit apart is its attention to detail. The color and texture perfectly match your factory dash, maintaining your car's original style. Crafted from high-quality automotive-grade ABS, it promises durability that lasts, resisting wear and tear while keeping your dashboard looking sharp. Installation is straightforward, no special tools required. Scosche includes clear, step-by-step instructions, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can handle the upgrade confidently. This ease of use saves time and stress, letting you enjoy your new stereo sooner. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories, known for high-quality, affordable products that meet strict standards. When you choose a Scosche dash kit, you're backed by their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. One of the biggest benefits is the lifetime tech support. If you ever have questions or run into issues, Scosche's knowledgeable team is just a call away, ready to help for as long as you own the product. That kind of support is rare and valuable. Plus, Scosche stands behind its products with a limited lifetime warranty. This guarantee reflects their confidence in the kit's quality and your peace of mind. You're not just buying a part, you're investing in reliability. Many customers praise this kit for its perfect fit, especially for models like the 2004 Hyundai Sonata. It's a solution that blends quality, style, and convenience, making your stereo upgrade smooth and satisfying. If you want a hassle-free way to upgrade your car stereo with a kit that fits like it was made for your dash, this Scosche dash kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to transform your vehicle's audio experience without compromise.